When we're talking about applying empathy to solve for a worker's hesitance to support an injury, to report an injury, we're talking about creating a more empathetic patient experience even before the injury occurs, specifically in the form of education. What does that mean, and how do you approach it differently when you are applying the lens of empathy to it?
Thanks, Michelle. That's actually a good segue. Another finding in our study with injured workers was that 50% of them experience a delay in reporting their injuries, which can affect the entire course of treatment and recovery. Some of the reasons for the delay included weariness about workers' comp insurance, resulting from stories shared by others who had a bad experience, fear of being fired or experiencing some sort of retaliation from their employer, cumbersome paperwork requirements that make it difficult to complete while being in pain. Patients also complained about the amount of time it took to receive the workers' compensation forms in the first place, and felt that they really should be able to submit the claims immediately via online access or over the phone. In addition, participants in our most recent industry survey cited injured workers' unfamiliarity with the workers' comp system as the #1 barrier to recovery. So really, empathy can be applied first by understanding that our injured worker patients know very little about how our industry works, much less than we do as practitioners. As a PBM, we're not in a position to educate our patients on every aspect of workers' compensation, but we can try to put ourselves in the patient's shoes. And as an industry, more importantly, we can put more focus on easily accessible education and resources for injured workers. Employers can serve an important resource to educate employees about how the workers' compensation process works in the unlikely event they would experience an injury. This type of proactive approach really can help to minimize the delays in reporting of injuries and improve overall injured worker recovery. Again, very important. I don't want to lose sight of the fact that leading with empathy, employers and carriers can collaborate with their other provider partners, including PBMs, to assist with the treatment aspects of workplace injuries.